This week we spent most of our time in some very old trees. These oaks are at least 200 years old, but probably more. It's a field that has 5 of them, and we will end up gathering 3 of the trees. Hugh is an experienced acorn gatherer and tree climber, and Neve has come 6 times to help me with the acorn harvest on Kea. We're after these giant acorns, trying to get as many in as we can by November. This week, Neve, Hugh, and I were joined by Robin. She's an ecologist and very interested in learning more about the acorn harvest and acorn processing. Whacking the trees not only does not hurt them, but it actually helps them. It's like a natural pruning. And we find that the trees that we've whacked do better from year to year. The whole backside of this tree is missing because a very large piece of the trunk has been removed for firewood. Stay with this video and you're going to see some other issues that are happening currently on Kea Island with the oak trees. I'm very concerned and I hope to raise awareness. The Acorn Volunteer team and I will be hosting the 10th annual Acorn Festival in a couple days. The festival traditionally ends with the weighing in of the heaviest acorn, and the last year's champion was 42 grams. It's a beautiful late October morning. I came out to uncover the acorns so they get the maximum amount of air and sunlight to dry out. It's quite damp in the evenings now here on the island, so we need to protect the nuts overnight from getting too wet. But so far our conditions are amazing. We don't have any rain predicted for the next 10 days. Of course, I'm, a bit conflicted about that because we need the rain. We're definitely in a drought again. We're always in a drought here. But let's let it rain from the 10th of November. It's such a pain in the neck when it rains during harvest. But anyway, so far so good. Weather's holding out and it's absolutely a beautiful day. Today's Sunday and that's the volunteers' day off. So I'm just putting together some acorn waffles for them. And I'll see you back in the kitchen. The waffle recipe can be found in my book, Eating Acorns. Today we're doing a test run because we want to serve these waffles at the Acorn Festival and we want to see how fast we can make them in my little waffle iron. They taste and smell delicious. I'll let you know how well they went over at the Acorn Festival in next week's video. Last year, this tree was basically a bush with growth all the way down to the ground. Somebody's come in, they've cleaned it, they've taken the wood away. This is an excellent example of how to prune a tree, get some firewood out of it, but not harm the tree. Benefit it for long-term benefit for everybody. The same person seems to have pruned this tree as well, which was also a bush. They've done an excellent job. They've gotten the wood that they need and they've preserved the tree. And this is not how you do it. This is ridiculous. I'm assuming that chlorine has been thrown on the top because it's very white and it's only been cut down for less than a year because I was here less than a year ago. So something has been done so that this tree not only has been butchered, but it will never come back. This one the same. I mean, whatever it is that's been put on this tree to prevent it from growing is still here. Third one. This one's struggling to make its way back. Fourth one. These trees are all about 150 years old. They were. We're all a bit subdued after seeing those trees cut down. It's not just that it's against the law to cut them, but from what I understand, those houses were built around the trees. And so for somebody to come in and cut them now seems very strange to me. I've already seen one case of trees being poached on this island, that somebody went into the property of somebody else and actually stole their trees, cut them down, and burned the trunks. I've also seen a couple of trucks loaded with freshly cut oak wood, which is also completely illegal. This is a protected area. These trees are considered very rare and important, and they fall under a European protocol called Natura 2000, which specifically prohibits the cutting down of these trees. But today we're finding acorns in abundance, and that's always a good thing, and always puts us all in a pretty good mood. You know, there were so many trees like this until the 60s, and then they got cut down. I thought we were finished. Show me the cup that you've already... Oh, nice. There's one. Ah, this is going to be our starter.
Let me see if they're over.
So I'm just going to show the hole where they come out of.
Yeah, we should maybe find one that is coming out. You can see they're everywhere.
They are everywhere. See how fast they get out as soon as you take them out of the tree?
They're all screaming. I can hear them all screaming.
Are they? They're going?
They will pop.
Oh, come on. How would it? How?
Let's get out of here.
Is that how they sound?
Yeah.
So let's show the good people of YouTube what we're actually doing.
Oh la la. It's a quick sip.
I hope it's a quick sip.
Don't you not coffee. It's nice.
I told you they popped. You thought I was kidding. Look at this. It's literally, wow. I know, it's great. I thought. I know they are. I know they are. I know. But come on, Pop. Stop it. Just stop it.
Amazing. Have you just eaten it's popped and fell out of that?
Yeah, I don't know why more of them are popping, but they are definitely getting nice and crispy.
Yeah.
Oh, they're crispy. There's hardly any there. Right? And they taste good.
You stopped wriggling. Huh? You stopped wriggling.
Well, that helps, doesn't it?
Wriggling is the word. Wriggling.
It helps when they're not wriggling. It tastes so good. Huh? Like, what does that remind you of? Crackers and shrimp together. Shrimp crackers. Shrimp crackers. Yeah, it reminds me of that a lot. Pretty good. Huh?
Very tasty.
This
This is for the kind of post-apocalyptic world when I do grubs. It's the future of meat.
This is the future meat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Thank you for collecting those.
Oh, you collected them? I did, yeah.
I always say I'm gonna do it, but everybody goes,
Yeah.
So, you know, unless I have somebody to...
You usually got vegetarians here or vegans or something as well.
Those are good. Those are really good.
I've tried it now.
I'm proud of you. I really am. Did your mommy tell you to try everything? Go ahead and finish them. They're really good. So yet another reason to love acorns. The grubs are tasty, they're nutritious, they're super clean, they're born and raised inside an acorn. So until next week, have a great one, and I'll see you soon with news about our Acorn Festival.